Slow down, slow down. Watch the alignment on the left.
Okay, easy now. Down, down.
Check the calibration on line 3. Are we optimized? Almost there. Just a minor tweak to the frequency.
Oxygen levels fluctuating in bank 3.
Adjusting flow rate now. The pressure on line 3.
Reading steady at 500. Adjusting the feed rate now.
The pressure on line 3 is fluctuating again.
It's still within tolerance, but keep an eye on the flow rate.
Scan complete. Tolerance verified. Accuracy 99.99%. Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Confirmed on the tablet. Sequence complete.
Check the seam right there.
Looks completely sealed. The application is perfect.
Check the temperature on that last one. It's holding steady at 500. Check the tension on that last bundle. Looks good, moving smoothly.
Control, Unit 4 departing Gate 2. Clear run.
Roger that. Sequence 5 initiated.
Okay, Henderson manifest shows we need 50 12-inch pipes.
Confirmed. 45 tagged. 5 more coming down the line now.
Good, let's finalize the paperwork.
We need to optimize the resource allocation for Sector 7.
Rerouting the power grid now. That should stabilize the flow.
Keep it steady, coming down now. Clear on this end, almost there.
Check the manifest against the stack height here. Looks correct. We can move lot 4B next.
Slow down, slow down. Watch the alignment on the left.
Okay, easy now. Down, down.
Looks good. The weld integrity on this section passed the ultrasonic test.
All right, make a note on the tablet. We are clear to proceed with the backfill on segment 5.